Look at that. What lovely cookies, which is also known as Dutch Pepernoton cookies and Kruidnoten cookies. It's yummy, looking very nice.
Christmas time is a cookies time. Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dutch cookies, or we can call it Pepernoton cookies. This cookie I had in my friend's house and it grabbed my attention. It's so tiny and very round, and it's so tasty. Actually, it has a lot of spices in it. So I'm not talking about only sugar cookies, I'm talking about the spicy one. So let's get started and see the recipe.
First of all, we'll take a bowl and add all-purpose flour in it, which is 2 cups. Now I'm going to add baking powder 3 teaspoons and give a good mix. Now it's the time to add spices. So I'm going to add nutmeg 1 teaspoon, cloves powder half teaspoon, ginger powder 2 teaspoon, and cinnamon powder 2 teaspoon, and cardamom powder 1.5 teaspoon. Now mix well everything all together. Now you can add brown sugar 1 cup. Make sure that you use the dark brown sugar for the better color. I'm using the light brown sugar because I couldn't find the dark one. Now combine it really well. So while mixing it, you will find so many lumps. So make sure you press them and make it really well and smooth the flour. Now it's a time to add the butter, which is 100 gram, and you make sure the butter would be unsalted and at the room temperature soft. It should not be, comes out from the fridge. So now mix it really well with the dry ingredients with using your hand now. Look at that, the texture. It's like breadcrumbs. See? Now I'm going to add milk. 4 to 5 tablespoons. So you make sure you add the milk slowly and mix it, slowly and mix well, then slowly add and mix it. Now that you have all the ingredients in the bowl, mix properly and knead the dough into a big ball. Once the dough is ready, now we need to cover it using the plastic roll and leave it to rest for 30 minutes in the fridge. Now, remove the plastic foil after 30 minutes. And cut this dough into 2 equal parts. Take 1/2 and we need to further split into 3 equal sized rolls. Now, take one of these rolls and roll it into a long string, like the very long strings. Yeah. Now we need to cut the string into small pieces, but the sizes of the sizes is totally depend on how big or small you want the Kruidnoten to be. And now roll the pieces. Now we have to repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. Now we have a baking tray here. So what we're gonna do is we roll the pieces into small balls and place them on your baking tray with sufficient space in between. Look at my speed, I'm so fast. Tick, 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 tick. So here I have a full baking tray full of small balls, and I have 2 trays already. This is my second tray. So what we're gonna do is you need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and we have to bake these cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 14 minutes. Look at that after baking. These cookies looks yummy. It's little larger and smaller obviously in size, and look at that, back side and front side. And my another tray also ready. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it for some time to cool down. Now, yummy, delicious Dutch Pepernoton cookies are ready. So enjoy!
Now you know how to make delicious traditional Dutch cookies. I hope you enjoy my video. Ta-da! I have some cookies with me. So I'm gonna eat one cookie. Yummy. It's very tasty. I'm pretty sure your kids would love this because it's so small and it's so tiny. I hope you really enjoy my video. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon button for further notifications. Till then, bye bye. See you next time with new recipe.